In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a custom domain to Odoo. Connecting your own domain makes your Odoo site look more professional and easier to access, instead of using the default Odoo web address. Before you start, make sure you already own a domain from a provider like Google Domains, GoDaddy, or any other registrar, and that you have access to its DNS settings. You'll also need to be logged into your Odoo account. First, go to your Odoo dashboard in your browser. At the top right corner of the screen, you'll see your profile icon. This might be your initials or a small avatar. Click on that profile icon to open the account menu. From the menu that appears, select the option that says My Databases. This will take you to a page where you can see all the Odoo databases linked to your account. Each database represents an Odoo environment, such as your main production site or a testing instance. Find the database that you want to connect to your custom domain. On the right-hand side of that database entry, you'll see a small gear icon or a settings button. Click this gear icon to open the configuration options for that specific database. In the settings panel, look for the option that refers to using your own domain. The wording may be something like use my own domain or a similar phrase, but it will clearly indicate custom domain usage. Click on that option to start the domain connection process. You'll now see a field where you can type in your custom domain. Carefully enter the exact domain name you want to use, for example, mycompany.com or portal.mycompany.com, depending on how you plan to structure your site. Double check for typos because even a small mistake will prevent the connection from working. Once you've entered the domain, click on the Verify button. At this point, Odoo will usually give you instructions to update your DNS records with your domain provider, such as adding a key name or a record. Make those changes in your domain registrar's DNS panel, then give it a few minutes for the changes to propagate. After you've completed the DNS updates, return to Odoo and click on the button that says I confirm it's done. Odoo will run a final check, and once everything is correct, your custom domain will be successfully connected to your Odoo database.